Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Woo! Happy 2018. This is the first video of the year and it's going to be on my eyebrows. A lot of my friends and everyone have been asking me, how do I fill in my eyebrows? What do I do? What kind of products do I use? But anyways, here's a video for you guys, and I hope you guys had a happy new year and I hope you guys had an amazing time with your loved ones and everyone. But anyways, let's talk and let's get to the video. Okay, so for the first step, I'm just gonna get a little bit lower. Okay, I know it's really close up and I probably look really bad and ugly, but you know what? Who cares? Haters can hate. Okay, anyways, so the first thing I use is, I already took the little cap off of this one, but I use this little thing that it's from Ka-Brow. Let's see if it focuses. Ka-Brow. And this is the pencil, brow pencil, and it's in the number 3, which is right there. I use a lighter color just because I like to let it focus. Let it focus. Okay, I like to use it on the bottom right here, and then I like to outline it with it, just because if I use a darker color it would look really ugly. So I try to, you know, outline the bottom. And you know what? We're going to pause for a second because I have a mirror behind us, but it's kind of hard. Well, yeah, I can use that. Okay, never mind. We are good. Just trying to see if you guys can see it. Okay, so I outline the bottom like I said. It doesn't have to be the best, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. The good thing about makeup is you can erase it and redo it. So then I do the top layer on how the shape I want it to look like. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I like to fill this part in a little bit. Not a lot. Because you're trying to look this part to look lighter than the rest of it, and then I just let it be like that. I forgot to tell you the first step obviously was to brush your little hairs up, you know, make them look nice and pretty. Just like that. And then what I do is I like brushing it out. Just like that. Up, 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 up. Okay, and then I use my other little Ka-Brow thing. Where is it? There. Let it focus. Ka-Brow little thing. And this is the dip one, and this is in the color 4. It doesn't really say the color of it, it's just the Ka-Brow sets and everything to do with pencil and like the liquid stuff like that. It's with numbers, so depending on if you're lighter or darker, there are samples on them. It comes with a little brush too, but I don't really like using it. I do if I'm like in a hurry and I can't find my pencil, I'll use that, but whatever, you know. And I forgot to get my pencil, so gotta go get it. I guess I wasn't prepared. And I've tried so many eyebrow pencils, and I don't know why, I just don't like them. Like I used to use my Anastasia. Where are you? I don't even think I have it in here anymore, but I used to use my Anastasia one. I didn't really like it because the brushes were really soft and it would always make my eyebrows look really bad and ugly. So then I went to Ulta. I buy all my makeup basically in Ulta. So then I bought this eyebrow pencil. Where is it? Where's the name? It's right there. I don't know if I can focus. It's called Japanosike. I don't fucking know. But I'll leave the description below. It was like really cheap. It was like maybe $10. But the little brushes are really hard, and I really like that because I don't like it when it's soft and it bends. I like it when it's just hard. I don't know. If you understand, comment below if you know what I mean. If you don't, then oh well, forget about what I said. So it looks like that. Okay, whatever. And then I just basically dip it in there. I like having a little towel on the side, and since I don't right now, I'm just gonna wipe it on my pajamas because I don't really care. I start off with, I'm trying to get it as low as I can so you guys can see as well. So So I start basically at the end. Just like that. And then we just fill it in, you know, just nothing that hard. But I like to make sure that that, you know, the bottom part is actually dark and it looks good, like there's no gaps. And then I move myself up, and make sure you use your pencil looking like this. So hold on, let it focus. See how it's like angled? Make sure, I'm using my right now, and so this has to be facing that way, the brush. So the brush is going to be facing to your left if you're doing your right brow. Just because if you use it the other way, you're like, it just doesn't go. I don't know how to explain it, but make sure that the little brush angle is facing to your left. And then, you know, you just follow the line that you kind of had there before. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, because that's why you have your concealer, and then you're gonna fix it up a bit and touch it up and make it all beautiful. As long as you have a, you know, a basics of the outline. And the one thing I like about Ka-Brow, their dip brow, is it dries up really fast, and I love it just because it's not liquidy. Like I used to use the Anastasia dip brow as well, and it's just, I don't like it either. I don't know why, it's just, I did not like it. And I tried Ka-Brow, I've seen so many people talk about it and use it, and I was like, you know what, it is expensive. Like this, the gel one, or the dip one, was like, I think $24, and then this was also $24 too, so I mean, it's kind of expensive, but it's worth it in my opinion. So then I go off again, and then I use a little brush. I try to put some more paint in the middle right here. Not a lot, because I don't want it to look, you know, all dark. I mean, you can, everyone has their preference. And then I just grab the little brush again and brush it out gently. And it doesn't have to, it can be out of the line, it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. I think I'll leave it like that. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's whatever you want. I think the brows are mostly that gives you more attention to, like when you talk to someone, because everyone's staring at your eyebrows. I feel like at your eyes, I feel like when you do your eyeshadow, it's like the most focus area is your eyes. Like maybe your lips, I guess, a little bit, but not as much. Okay, so we're done with that. And then I am going to grab, today I'm going to try to use this one. It's my concealer from NYX. And okay, so my birthday was on the 29th. I'm finally 23 years old. I'm old, you guys. And my boyfriend bought me some brushes from Morphe, and he actually bought me the whole set, which I'm so excited because I got it today. So I will be doing a tutorial on those stuff, and see if I like them or not, if I recommend it to you guys. But anyways, I'm going to be using the M432 to clean out my eyebrows to make it look fabuloso. So what I'm basically doing, let's see if I can show you, is like rubbing it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So it's gonna look something like that. And then it doesn't really matter which side you start, from the top or bottom, whatever. Oh, I need a smaller mirror. Okay, I'm gonna pause this video and get my mirror because it's kind of hard to see without a smaller mirror in front of me. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So I got my little mirror. So then we just, you know, bring it down, I'm also going to be doing my, oh no, the light turned off. Hold on. I also got a little mirror that my nephew gave me for my birthday, and you're probably like, your little nephew? No, he's not little anymore. He's actually 20 years old. So, he's not that little anymore. So anyways, I'm just cleaning this part up. Something like that, and then I'm just gonna grab more product and then do the top part. Oh, my leg is falling asleep. If you hear my brother-in-law talking in the background, or a guy, it's because it's my brother-in-law. They're pretty loud. They're in the room right next to me, which is right over there. But you know, and you're actually supposed to make the concealer supposed to be a little bit more darker, not lighter. It's just I have not had time to go buy some color that actually matches my skin, because as you blend in like the concealer, it leaves like really white marks and everything. There we go. I mean, that's basically it, guys. It's that easy. And there you have it, one eyebrow. So I'm just gonna do my other eyebrow and then come back and show you what the both eyebrows together look like. Okay, so this is the final look. These are my two eyebrows together. I hope you guys liked this quick and easy tutorial. I hope it wasn't too hard, and I hope you guys understood how to fill in your eyebrows. Hopefully this helped you guys a lot. Hopefully you guys can learn from it, and remember, practice makes perfect. So just keep practicing and practicing and practicing. You will get perfect at it. I mean, I'm not even perfect at it. Sometimes I have my mistakes. I feel like my left eyebrow, I always have more trouble than my right eyebrow. You know, everyone is different, like I said. Just make sure you're happy, and that's all that matters. Don't worry about anyone else. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope this helped you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hopefully my next video is going to be a makeup tutorial on my Morphe palette that I just got as well. So anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.